was going to do a video on how to repair a tubeless tire on a Kite buggy. I couldn't find any information or video on how to repair this, so I did it with a plug kit designed for a car, and since it was such a thin wall, I was kind of skeptical if it would even work, but this is what I did. I identified the leak with soapy water. I reamed it out. Inserted the plug. When I put the plug in, I yanked the handle back quick to make certain I didn't pull the plug along with it, and it did work. Then I cut the excess and verified it was soapy water to make certain it wasn't leaking.